it? Thursday, Friday? Hell, I forgot the day. Thursday. Good Thursday morning. 7th of May. 2026. In a beautiful rainy morning. Somewhere between North Augusta and Aiken. The recording. In the snowflake. With Papa. Don't know how to see his bald hair, but he's right there. He act like he's asleep, but he ain't. And then he mumbled something. I don't know what he mumbled. But we are heading to St. Matthews, South Carolina. We done picked up the freight from Amazon. We already done dropped it at the first drop, which was in North Augusta. Now we're heading to St. Matthews. The reason I didn't have the first drop video because I didn't know if I was going to record or not. Because I'm recording on iPhone and I don't think I might not have a charger for it in the truck. I don't know. I got a little bit of battery left. I'll check and see when I get to St. Matthews. See if I got any charge it. Plus it's about to be 5 o'clock, so in about another hour or two it's gonna be a day break, and we'll be able to see some more stuff. There you see his bald hair. Now y'all see him? Y'all see he got a little bit of, there you go. Saw that white head in there? Bald white head like a moon. He always be eating, no matter what. Every time I see him, he's moving his mouth. But anyway, yeah. So when the day break, we'll hopefully the rain will slow down a little bit, and we might be able to see some stuff outside in the country road. It's the same route we ran before. I probably made a video of it before as well. We're going to St. Matthews, then Reedsville. From Reedsville, we got to go to the Amazon hub down in Hanahan, South Carolina. We got to pick up freight from there and bring it back to Amazon Fulfillment Center in Appling, Georgia. So this is one of those Amazon to Amazon trips that I'm running. I have ran before, and every time I run again. And today is one of those times. Thanks for joining. Whoever subscribed, y'all go ahead and the ones that are watching and not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Again, I know my contacts are not consistent, but I'm trying to put as much as I can while I'm doing stuff. We gotta do a little bit of PM on this truck, so hopefully I'll have some of those videos up. Y'all saw the video for alternator replacing and in and out of tie rod on the truck, on the car. We're probably gonna have another video coming up for building a storage building. Once I figure out when I'm gonna start on it. But y'all see the rain? It's just coming down. Can't even see the line. Can't even see the lines on the road. Right now my phone is about where my eyes are. And I don't know what y'all see, but whatever y'all see on the camera, I probably see a little bit better than that. But other than that, it ain't a whole lot. These people charge arm and leg on the taxis for road work. They don't fix the road, but at least put a reflector on the road so we could see the road at night. especially in the rainy weather. We can't even see the lines right now. You just go with the flow, because all of a sudden there's a line and then you got a curve. So anyway, that's government for you. But we'll catch up in a little bit. Look at this sleepyhead. Look at him. Alright, we're almost to our next stop. After fighting through the rain and the potholes and breaking the truck in half just about, we're finally to our next stop.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
That post office right there. See the cargo looking wings.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Meeting Street. Then at the...
Oh, you know. Look at that boat. We're done with number 2. Now we are on our way to Ridgeville. Or Ridgeville or something like that. I don't know. We have about 50 miles to go. As you see, day's breaking out. So far we did 125 miles out of 400 and something. So far so good. They don't woke up, I think. Look at them. I tell you. Oh, we got another meter. Finally, after 6-7 months, they've been broke. This year, we're gonna try to fix this truck up, ain't it right, Pop? Little by little. Actually, that's the plan. As you see, I took a whole lot of stuff off the windshield, including my gas can from Keep Trucking. It used to be right behind the bed. That's why I got the bed hanging now. I also took away their I had a little thing on the bottom of the dash for the Keep Trucking, kind of like a router kind of thing, as you will, which was connected to the data port on the bottom. Took all that off. Solar panel farm, a mini solar panel farm. Took that off. I'm gonna hang the little curtains that goes inside that my parents had went to India over the Christmas and they brought some, so I'm gonna hang that eventually. See those napkins? Got a windshield leaking, so hopefully this weekend we're gonna tape around the outside edge. I got one of those heavy duty tape. We're gonna tape up the whole windshield from outside, and hopefully that'll prevent from leaking. Then the next 3 major things are the roll-up door in the back, a hole up on my roof, and the tires. I need rear tires. So hopefully get all those done within another week or 2. And so our next stop graffitis on this store. Without move your head. Seems like it used to be that a CVS or Rite Aid or some kind on a Walgreens. It was but now it's taken over by a gang. There's a law like that waiting. I don't know who we're waiting on. Have a whole lot of damn traffic on this road. We've been on this road for the last 30 minutes, 15, 20 minutes now. And I think we only cut maybe 10 miles. Alright, we are almost there. Took forever to get here. That car coming out of. Or those cars coming out of here.
Now turn right and then you will reach your destination.
Back up to the dock and see what they got.
Point Industrial Road, North Point Industrial Boulevard. Now turn right.
Alrighty, we loaded 5 cars. Get home. Hopefully we'll get home by 12:30, by 1:30. We should be home. And nothing happens. It is a military plane, it is. Yeah, looks like it. I don't think it has a commercial jet. What is it? Anyway. Hey, gotta go home. Well, not home, but Chief. They're making a boat.
1951 was 28 when the series began in 1979. And he gave Luke the choice.
Yeah, right there is
the made the difference.
Oh, yeah.
Behind the true team.
I'm trying to explain.
Luke is quick thinking, dependable, and often the one who sees the Chilean music and Broadway.
From all the buildings I get.
And other productions that show his
That's a bimbo play.
In 2026, he is 74 and remains active in music, theater, and television. Lived indoors because Tom,
whatever this thing is.
calm feel just as wrong as speed and joy. Bo2 is the bright, rigorous engine
Right here, this right here.
one who throws himself into danger with a great jump.
K-on,
An absolute faith that somehow the General League will land in one piece. John Schneider, born April 8, 1960, was just 19 when the series began in 1979. And the youth gave Bo exactly the kind of energy the show needed.
We got 84
Bo was
lumber.
impulsive, fearless, fast-talking, and almost...
We got that purple school bus. It'd be nice to have one of those RVs. Let's go. 95 north and south. Florence or Savannah, wherever y'all want to go. I want to go home. I don't want to go to Savannah. I don't want to go to Florence. I want to go home. Dave's Honky If what? I don't know if y'all could read it or not on this truck. You can read it now. Dale, Han, Keith, something. What the hell you do? Ran into a damn pole? How the hell you do that? Oh, right there. Damn. Damn, the lady down real down there real good, ain't they? Oh, one of them did. It's continuing raining, still raining. It was on and off, but now it's kind of coming down real close. Look at the rearview mirror. See the car with the light on? See how barely people see whether he has his lights on or she has her lights on? Now imagine when you're driving and somebody behind you ain't got no light on and it's raining. That's why y'all need to have the lights on when you're driving in the rain. He's out again. I might as well watch the YouTube on the drive. Somebody off the road. Somebody went off the road. You see it? Yeah, alright. We are back. Where we picked it up from this morning. We picked the load up at 3 o'clock in the morning. And so far we have driven 369 miles. And we are back in the same spot where we picked it up from this morning. This is the Amazon. We gotta come around the building on the west side to a dock door 317 to unload it. Look at this guy. That's all he does. Hey, he looking outside. I'm talking to you. All day he did nothing but play game and slept. That's all he did. And they thought about he worked too hard. I've never seen a person tell a whole lot of story in 1 hour than him. I wonder why they got a chain on the bottom of this truck, huh? Right. Where 317 at? Let's see it. Alright, gotta back it up right here, 317. We got 5 carts, so it shouldn't take that long to unload it. I'll keep an eye on the rear view mirror, the big one, not the small one, the big one. That's just how I back up my mini rig. if you can tell or not, but I'm aligning my end of the box or edge of the box with the yellow line. I'm not looking on the right hand side because there is nothing out there. There's no trailer or anything, but if there is a trailer or any kind of obstacle, you gotta make sure you keep on there too. You don't want to run that over. And as you get closer to the yellow line, just gradually release the brake and let the truck roll until you bump it. You should felt the bump. All right, let me go unload it, and that'll be it for today. So thanks for joining. See you all on the next one.